As you can see from this graph, the Safaricom share is still on recovery, and the all-time high was back in 2021, with the all-time high being 44 shillings and 65 cents. So if you are an investor, this could be the best time to buy Safaricom shares. Very soon you'll be able to purchase Safaricom shares or any other shares from Nairobi Securities Exchange from your M-PESA. And this is through a platform that is yet to be launched by Safaricom, known as Ziidi Trader platform. This platform is integrated with your M-PESA, which will make it easier for you to buy and sell shares in Nairobi Securities Exchange. So in today's video, we're going to go through some of the key features that will come with this Ziidi Trader platform and the impact that this platform will have on other stockbrokers, and also how it will influence the Nairobi Securities Exchange market. And we're gonna also see how the Safaricom shares will be impacted by this platform. And finally, we're gonna see the relationship of this Ziidi Trader platform with Ziidi Money Market Fund. So consider watching this video till the end so that you can gain some insight that will help you in your investment journey when this platform will be launched. And this video is only for educational purpose, so don't take it as a financial advice. And let's get started with some of the key features of this Ziidi Trader platform. And one of the key features of this Ziidi Trader is that it is integrated into the M-PESA app so that existing M-PESA customers can access stock trading on the NSE directly from their mobile wallet. So as I told you earlier, this platform is integrated with the M-PESA wallet. So it will be easier for you to buy and sell your shares through this platform. It also have a simplified onboarding with minimal paperwork, leveraging mobile money identity and wallet infrastructure. As you know, opening a CDS account through a broker is a very long process, but with this Ziidi Trader platform, you will be able to utilize your mobile money identity and also wallet infrastructure, which makes it easier compared to opening a trading account with other stockbroker. Another key feature that comes with this Ziidi Trader is real-time order-driven trading of shares listed in Nairobi Securities Exchange. So you'll be able to have real-time purchasing and selling of shares that are listed in Nairobi Securities Exchange. In addition to that, this Ziidi Trader platform will offer seamless settlement and clearing, leveraging the digital wallet infrastructure. So when it comes to settling purchasing of shares and also clearing the sale of shares, it will be much easier to utilize their platform by leveraging the digital wallet infrastructure that is M-PESA. This Ziidi Trader platform will come with mobile analytics and notification. So you'll be able to see mobile analytics of shares that are traded in Nairobi Securities Exchange. Last but not least, this platform will have educational elements and investment alerts, given Safaricom product push into wealth creation via its Ziidi brand. And let's now go into understanding what impact this Ziidi Trader platform will have on other stockbrokers. So traditional stockbroker firms on the NSE will face increased competition. And the reason is because a mobile wallet-based offering lowers the entry cost of retail clients. And brokers may see some of their future retail client pipeline being eroded. So Safaricom as a brand will attract more clients to trade through their platform, especially with the M-PESA integration. So most M-PESA clients will prefer trading through the Ziidi Trader platform compared to other stockbrokers. So the launch of this Ziidi Trader platform will increase competition in the stockbroker market. Let's now go into another impact, and that is brokers will likely need to improve their own digital platform, reduce fees, and offer added service such as analytics, robo-advisor, fractional shares to remain competitive. The launch of this platform will push other stockbrokers to improve on their trading platform. Most of the stockbrokers trading platform are not seamless. So with the Ziidi Trader platform being launched, it will attract more clients. So other stockbrokers need to up their game to keep up with this competition. In addition to that, we might also see shift in pricing model, especially lowering of brokerage fee. So with the M-PESA integration in this platform, the brokerage fee being charged by Safaricom might be lower than other stockbrokers, and this will force other stockbrokers to reevaluate their stock brokerage fee. So we might see a lower brokerage fee by other stockbrokers. And for small brokers especially, this digital disruption might accelerate consolidation. So for these smaller stockbrokers, they might really struggle to compete with this new platform, and it will force them to integrate because they need to come up with a more sophisticated platform for trading in order to compete with this Ziidi Trader platform. And on the positive side, brokers might partner with Safaricom or embed into the ecosystem rather than compete head-on, offering complementary services such as research, IPO access, wealth management, while letting Safaricom capture mass retail trading. So that is the positive side that this Ziidi Trader platform will have on the stockbrokers. And the net results of all this is that with this platform being launched, we'll be able to have access to better digital user experience for investors, more accessible platform, and potentially higher volumes when it comes to trading, but lower margins per trade. That is in terms of the brokerage fee. So that is the positive side of the launch of this platform. So the negative side of this platform is the competition it will have on other stockbrokers. But for investors, it will be a good move because it will force other stockbrokers to improve their trading platform or even partner with Safaricom, and it will increase accessibility of trading in the Nairobi Securities Exchange. And let's now see the impact that this platform will have on the Nairobi Securities Exchange market. So with a large base of M-PESA users, enabling stock trading via M-PESA could raise retail participation in the NSE. This could increase trading volume and liquidity, that is more active buying and selling. Because of the large customer base in terms of M-PESA, the integration of this platform with M-PESA will attract more investors to participate in the NSE market, and this will improve the trading volume in the NSE and also liquidity. And this increased liquidity is positive for exchange vibrancy, that is better price discovery, lower bid-ask spread, and more attractive market for listing. So it will attract more companies to be listed in Nairobi Securities Exchange, and also the valuation of companies will be better because of better price discovery. And with the launch of this platform, the MSME side of the capital market might see more retail investors flow, which could encourage new listing or encourage the bursary of listing smaller companies. With more investors coming into the NSE, it will encourage other smaller companies to be listed in NSE because this will be an alternative way for them to raise capital to run their businesses. Also, this platform will have a huge impact on the market capitalization of NSE. As you know, recently the NSE market capitalization passed the 3 trillion Kenya shillings mark, and if more retail money flows in, the market capitalization could grow further, given more market value coming from increased trading and possibly new listings. So that is what is likely to happen if this platform is launched. But one thing you need to know about market capitalization is that market cap is mostly determined by listed companies' valuation. So increased trading does not automatically raise market capitalization unless valuation change or new companies are listed. Still, high liquidity and investors' participation tends to support higher valuation. So that is one thing you need to understand about market capitalization. So with more investors coming in and more listing coming in, then the market capitalization of NSE might also increase. Another impact that this Ziidi Trader platform will have on the NSE is that the structure of capital market might shift. Heavier digital mobile-based retail participation may change the dynamic of how information flow, how companies engage investors, and also the regulatory oversight need. For example, fraud prevention, know your customer, and investors education. And in the long term, if these innovations succeed, the Kenyan's capital market may be more competitive regionally, that is in East Africa, and better developed, which may in turn attract more foreign investors to invest in the Nairobi Securities Exchange. And this will be a great boost in the capital market here in Kenya. And let's now go into what impact this Ziidi Trader platform might have on Safaricom shares. As you can see from this graph, the Safaricom share is still on recovery, and the all-time high was back in 2021, with the all-time high being 44 shillings and 65 cents. So if you are an investor, this could be the best time to buy Safaricom shares because the launch of this platform might push the share price of Safaricom to even higher level or its all-time high of 44 Kenya shillings. So let's see how this Ziidi Trader platform might impact the Safaricom share. For Safaricom, Launching Ziidi Trader is a value-added extension of its platform. Beyond telephony and mobile money, it is moving into wealth and finance service dimension. That diversification can be positive for the stock. So with this diversification into the wealth and finance service dimension, the valuation of Safaricom might also increase and the share price might also go up. Another impact that this platform will have on Safaricom is that it will increase revenue stream through the brokerage fee that they charge their clients to buy and sell shares in Nairobi Securities Exchange. Even though this platform will have positive impact on Safaricom shares, we also have the negative side, and that is execution risks such as regulatory delays. User uptake may be slower than expected. Competitive response might limit margins, and also risks of platform glitches or reputational damages. So those are some of the negative things that can impact the share price of Safaricom. So if we have some delays or some glitches on the platform, the share price of Safaricom might be impacted negatively. But on the other side, Safaricom is also profitable. So the negative things that might happen on this launch might not really impact the share price of Safaricom, because for the year ended September 2025, the group net income rose by 52.1% to 42.8 billion Kenya shillings. Also, with their operation in Ethiopia, they have managed to narrow their losses. So with these strong results that they are posting, it shows that the core business is healthy, giving a better foundation for new ventures like Ziidi Trader. And let's now see how this Ziidi Trader is related to Ziidi Money Market Fund. So the Ziidi brand already exists as a money market fund, and the Ziidi Money Market Fund is a MMF that is being offered by the M-PESA. The MMF allow M-PESA customers to invest as little as 100 shillings, earn daily interest, and withdraw via M-PESA wallet. The MMF is also regulated by the Capital Market Authority. And this platform was launched in 2024, and by the end of December that year, they had accumulated 2.85 billion assets under management, and currently the assets under management are about 6 billion Kenya shillings. Just imagine how many users will be using the Ziidi Trader platform. So there is a very big influence that these M-PESA's users will have on the Ziidi Trader platform. And the key relationship between Ziidi Trader and Ziidi Money Market Fund is that Ziidi Trader is essentially the next step in the Ziidi ecosystem, moving from saving investment products, that is money market, to equity trading product. So Safaricom is leveraging the same brand, the same wallet convenience, that is M-PESA, and likely the same infrastructure and partnering model. So the company that is running the money market fund of Safaricom is the Standard Investment Bank, which is one of the largest investment bank here in Kenya. And there is a high probability that they will be managing the Ziidi Trader platform because they have more knowledge when it comes to investment. So as an investor, you can move from the low risk investment in money market fund to a more risky investment that is in the stock market. So with Safaricom offering the MMF and also the Ziidi Trader platform, then they will be able to complement each other because one is low risk while the other is high risk. So this will attract more investors to Safaricom because on one end, you can invest in the low risk, that is the Ziidi Money Market Fund, and on the other end, you can invest in Nairobi Securities Exchange stock via the Ziidi Trader platform. And that will be really complementary for clients. So with this platform, Safaricom is likely to gain more. And that's all I had to share with you about the Ziidi Trader platform and how it can influence the stock market here in Kenya and also Safaricom share, including other stockbrokers here in Kenya. And if you have been able to gain some knowledge from this video, consider liking and subscribing to this channel to learn more about investing in Nairobi Securities Exchange market.